Aerodrome has some of the highest paying stablecoin pools in DeFi, and I'm going to break them down, show you how to get in them, show you what they're paying, all of the above. I'm going to go through a little bit of the docs, and I say a little bit because I already made a video on Velodrome, which is pretty much the same thing, just on a different chain. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Do have to say none of this is financial advice. These are my own perspectives, research, and opinions, and should be treated as such. So before we get started, what is yield farming in this capacity? So it's multiple ways to get a yield. Like I always say, staking on money market funds, staking on, ETH 2.0 staking contract or a blockchain staking contract, using your funds as liquidity to facilitate insurance premiums. The most profitable way is to stake your funds on decentralized exchanges such as Velodrome in the form of pairs, and you make money anytime they're getting swapped back and forth. So now that we know what yield farming is, let's jump straight into it. So if we look under DEXs, I don't know why this is ordered like this, but you can see that Aerodrome is actually number 7, right? And if we click on it, you can see that they have a TVL of $595,000. And you can see it's been growing kind of crazy as a lot of things are heating up on the Base network, which is Coinbase's layer 2. And I've made videos on Base and why I think it's going to do really well in this bull market. So if we go to the Aerodrome website, it says Aerodrome Finance is a next generation AMM designed to serve as Base's central liquidity hub, combining a powerful liquidity incentive engine, vote lock governance model, and friendly user experience. The protocol is designed to enable token swaps and generate fees from traders by attracting liquidity. Every epoch, liquidity providers receive aero token emissions proportionate to the votes the pools accumulate. Participants can lock their aero tokens to be able to vote on the next epoch distribution of emissions. And then voted escrow aero voters, that's a tongue twister, are rewarded proportionally to locked amounts for their votes with 100% of the protocol trading fees from the previous epoch and any additional voters. Breaks down the tokenomics. This video isn't, about buying the aero token, even though it wouldn't be a bad token to buy. But let's jump straight into the liquidity pools. So if you go here, they have active, stable, volatile, concentrated, incentivized, low TVL, participating, and all pools. So you can search by APR, and it's cool they give you a warning and says it's likely unsustainable. Most protocols will just show it because they just care about making fees. So I respect them for this. Funny joke. My buddy sent me a meme. He said he went to his dentist, and the dentist said he can see that he'd been grinding. And he was like, I respect him for that. I've been laughing about that all day. Anyway, you can see the active ones. You can see the stable pools. So these are stable coins, right? Well, stable, volatile, I guess. So you have ETH in a stable coin. You got to be careful with all these stable coins. You really have to trust it and do your research. But these are paying out pretty good, right? We look at volatile pools. We filter by APR. I'm not sure what RFL is, but, feel free to do the research. These are concentrated liquidity pools, 12,000%. I'm not sure what Scoop is, but they're paying pretty good. Look at their incentivized pools. Still giving that warning that it's paying too much and it might not last. I'm not seeing many tokens that I'm familiar with yet, but these yields are really, really high. Let's go to page 2 and see what they're looking like. So here's Aero Wrap Stake ETH, 392%. Wrapped ETH Radiant, 502%. That's a good one. Wrapped ETH Aero, 654%. Wrapped ETH Pepe, 685%. These are some pretty... Wrapped ETH USDC, 1,016%. That's fantastic, right? They have low TVL, participating 1,000%. ZRO Aero, which is layerzero, not bad. Let's go back to these stable ones though. I really want to break these down. So DAI USDBC, 5,000% isn't too bad. Invest what you're willing to lose. My USDC 10%. So not bad for a stablecoin. It's outpacing inflation. Here's one that I haven't been able to find on here. One of our members within our group actually found this. And if you want to learn how to deploy successful yield farming strategies like a professional and run your portfolio like an institution with a group of professional coaches who do this for a living, as well as advanced yield farming members, call them your colleagues, get access to our 13-hour course that goes over everything and our Yield Hunter tool that shows you the top pools in DeFi in real time. Click the link in the description, book a free strategy session. You'll talk to me or one of our coaches, and we'll ultimately see if our program is a good fit for you. I digress here. USD plus USDBC. This one's been paying out pretty good. It was like 60% not long ago. I've been in this one, and it's been pretty good, I have to say. You have to connect your wallet here, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the pools. I like to compare yield farming to mining for gold. Like if you know there's gold there, you come there with your shovels. Yield farming is like providing the shovels. They made more money than the gold miners sometimes. So if you're anticipating a lot of liquidity, base is going to be heating up, anticipating a lot of trading volume, a lot of activity is going to be there. It's the largest centralized exchange. They already have hundreds of millions of users. So a lot of people are going to be able to get into DeFi easily, and they're probably going to go over to Aerodrome, right? It's a good opportunity. So guys, with that, I'd like to conclude this video. If you got value, I ask that you drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe. Trying to hit 3,000 subscribers, share with a friend. But other than that, let me know what strategy, what DEX, what protocol you want me to cover next, and I'm happy to do so. Other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love every single one of you watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care and trade safe.